Online meetings move fast. When the conversation is in a language you don't fully understand, it's easy to miss key details, lose track of decisions, or hesitate before speaking. TransGull helps make multilingual meetings easier with real-time, two-way voice interpretation. With accurate translation designed for professional communication, TransGull helps every participant listen, understand, and respond with confidence. Now let's see how to use it. Start by opening Simultaneous Interpretation in TransGull. If you only need to understand what others are saying, choose one-way interpretation. For conversations where both sides need to speak and understand each other, choose two-way interpretation. Next, choose the audio source. For online meetings or audio from an app on your computer, select Activities on this computer. If this is your first time using online meeting two-way interpretation, follow the prompt to install the virtual audio device. Next, open your meeting software and go to the audio settings. Change your microphone to TransGull's virtual audio device, which may appear under a different name depending on your operating system. Then return to TransGull and select the languages for your meeting. Go to Translation Playback Settings and choose what other meeting participants will hear. For example, choose the setup if you want participants to hear only the interpreted audio. To let participants hear both the original audio and the interpreted audio, use the next setup instead. When everything is ready, click play.
本日はお時間をいただきありがとうございます。今日は日本で販売している新製品を台湾と韓国でも展開する計画についてご相談できればと思います。
Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. Today, I'd like to discuss our plans to roll out the new products currently being sold in Japan to Taiwan and South Korea as well.
Thank you. We've reviewed the materials you sent us, and we're very interested in the opportunity. When are you planning to enter those two markets?
ありがとうございます。お送りいただいた資料を拝見し、この案件に大変関心を持っております。台湾と韓国への展開はいつ頃予定されていますか？